in Lebanon's capital had earlier spotted a large fire at the port, billowing dark smoke into the air. There were reports that a warehouse containing fireworks had caught fire. And several videos of the scene showed colored flashes in the flames.
Видели?
Videos from the scene
Да,
suggest
прилетели самолеты, еще кинули бомбы туда. Да, потому что они пролетали. Блин, точно меня убьют, блин, здесь скоро.
This enormous shock.
Потому что нас на Кипре...
Сейчас. This was the aftermath. Windows shattered in buildings across the city and damaged cars on the roads near the port.
Of course, бля, что там уже, бля. Вот Cyprus.
This is where the explosion happened.
Да.
4 kilometers away, in the St. Marmaroun Church, a priest and his congregation were taking part in
Ладно,
mass.
да, we don't... Окей. Да, бедный поп. Боже, прости меня.
The explosion was caught on camera 11 kilometers away in the Dabia Marina.
О, Боже, это и смех, и грех. Ну, девочки, если меня пошатнуло, мы 200 километров от них. Кипр.
It was even heard and felt as far away as Cyprus.
Вот Cyprus, видите?
125 miles across the Mediterranean. Aerial shots show the scale of the destruction of the port. It reportedly housed 85% of Lebanon's supply of grain, which was a strategic food reserve in a country crippled by economic meltdown.
Но вы видите то, что оно все равно взрывается, не взрывается, оно все равно возгорается. Ну, это понятно. Ну да. Только 30 людей, да, сказали? Yeah, sure. Someone destroys the extent of the damage crater was once.
Now it's underwater.
Yeah. Сейчас все под водой. А зачем вы предупреждаете? Да, chemical, да.